that Pakistan must be brought back in FATF grey list. Now, what is the importance of FATF grey list? That there will be huge scrutiny on that nation when you do money transactions. And it is a fact that Pakistan uses Middle East, hawala or money laundering, to sponsor terrorist groups against India. Now, I'll give you an example. In 2018, Pakistan was brought in grey list. One Sajid Mir. If you open FBI website and type Sajid Mir, there's a 5 million reward on his head. Now, Sajid Mir was the main person who engaged David Headley. He told him to change his name for Dawood Gilani to David Headley. Now, Pakistan said he's dead. In Germany, when the final meeting of FATF was held, Pakistan came into that meeting and said, Sajid Mir is alive. Now, how can a person who's dead becomes alive? That in itself clearly shows that what Pakistan does, and then the Pakistani court gave him a sentence of 15 years for terror financing. So bringing Pakistan in FATF is very important, because our apprehension is that this 2 billion loan which IMF is giving, that will be used by Pakistani military. And it is a known fact, whenever this loan is given, it goes to all the core commanders of Pakistan Army. Someone has very rightly called them crore commanders of Pakistan Army.
Is turning out to be very positive.
Was there any talk on FATF issue in keeping Pakistan in grey list?
We have covered a variety of issues, including this one. And again and again, the message we have communicated, which is getting resonance, is that steps should be taken to nudge Pakistan, to convince Pakistan to give up terrorism. And it will involve a wide variety.
हमको दो जगह जरूर सपोर्ट करेगा. एक OIC में, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इस्लामिक कंट्रीज जो है, उसमें भी वो पाकिस्तान के साथ नहीं है, टर्की के साथ नहीं है. और दूसरा, जब बहरीन 2018 में अध्यक्ष था तो FATF में जो है उसने ग्रे लिस्ट में डाला. तो ये दो अपेक्षा हमारी है और बहरीन हमको लगता है साथ देगा.
आपने कहा कि FATF में 2016 में जब डाला था नाम, क्या अब बहरीन ने कुछ गलत बोला? अगली जो मीटिंग्स होंगी वो किस तरह से प्रोजेक्ट?
नहीं, FATF में 2018 में जब बहरीन हेड कर रहा था तो उसने उसको ग्रे लिस्ट में डाला था कि ये गलत है और पाकिस्तान आतंकवाद को बढ़ा दे रहा है. और अब फ्यूचर में जब भी FATF की कोई मीटिंग होगी, जैसे जाकार्ता में अभी OIC की मीटिंग हो रही थी, तो उसमें पाकिस्तान के एजेंडे को बहरीन ने लागू नहीं होने दिया और भी इस्लामिक कंट्रीज के साथ. और अब जब भी ये दोनों मीटिंग होगी तो उसमें भारत के पक्ष को मजबूती से रखेगा.